Hi everyone, I'm doing a recipe today for this side effect of constipation. It's something that nobody likes to talk about, but it's something that's also really distressing if you have it due to your chemotherapy or your other cancer treatments. Now I have a Fibre Blend mix. I'll say straight off the bat though, if you're having trouble with constipation, diarrhea, any of those things, please seek help from your dietitian first of all. And we have a fibre mix here, but just check with them, make sure it's exactly what you need. So ours is a basic fibre mix and they'll tell you if it's suitable for you or not. Two different versions of this fibre mix. So you can make up one that is rougher if you like, so it's a bit more coarse as you can see here. This one goes really well in food. So if you're making your porridge, your morning cereal, sprinkle this in or on it. You put it in baking as well, goes really well. This other one here is a powdered version. You can see it's actually really soft and powdery. You can use this one. I've added chocolate to this one as well, so that's why it's that colour. Add this one, so you just want a drink, so you can make up a smoothie with it in a shaker or in a blender. It'll just blend in quite quickly with those things. Basically what it is made of is psyllium husk. Now I've got a powdered version here. You can get, for the rougher version, you can get psyllium husk that's coarser than this. Both are the same. So about a cup of psyllium husk, that's the coarser version. If you can't get the powdered version, use a blender by all means and make it less coarse. Also in it we have some rolled oats or oat bran you can use as well. Use a blender if you've got the whole thing. Again, buy oat bran if you want to use oat bran. I've also got flaxseed meal here. You can buy this in the powder form. It's great for just about everything. I love using this. It's great for binding things together when you don't want to use eggs as well. If you can't get the powder version, just use a whole flaxseed if you want to use a whole flaxseed, or again, you blend that up smoother. Something else that's really essential for it is rice bran, and I've got the powder version here. You can get that in a coarser version. Hemp as well, so you can use hemp seeds in this. I've actually opted for a hemp protein powder. Anything to get that little bit of extra protein into you is a good thing as far as I'm concerned. And we have a slippery elm bark here. Best to go for the powder version for this. I haven't actually seen it in any other version. These ones here, these Lotus brand, I think you can just get from your local health food shop. And you can also order, most of this is from the supermarket, just order online if you're not going out in these times as well. It's much safer to do so. And for the chocolate version, I've got a cacao powder. If you'd like to have it a bit sweeter, so you're making up the smooth version just to have in smoothies, add some sweetener to that if that's what you like to do. Now I will put the recipe for those on, not actually making them up, you can see them here, but I'll put the recipe up for those. Our recipe is also already on our website, so if you go to the website and click on the constipation little icon, it'll take you straight to it. There you go, have fun, see you.